Breaking news, Israel just launched an attack on Iran about an hour ago, attacking nuclear facilities, killing some officials, causing oil prices overnight to go up to $75 a barrel. And there's still room to go even higher, especially if Iran responds, okay? And so we're looking at oil hovered around $60 to $69 a barrel, largely driven by trade optimism. And Brent crude jumped 12 to 13%, topping $78 a barrel, the biggest one-day rise since March of 2022. WTI surged 13%, going up to upwards of $78 a barrel. Oil futures increased 9%. Okay, so why the surge? A regional risk premium. Markets fear Iran may strike shipping lanes or facilities, especially around the Strait of Hormuz. Potentially disruption of Iranian energy infrastructure in a heightened conflict in a region responsible for 30% global oil output. Okay. Now, Iran's supreme leader has promised severe punishment. The IRGC vowed decisive retaliation. So if oil prices went up to $75 a barrel and Iran retaliates, where do you think oil prices are going to go? Okay. And so that only puts a target on their oil facilities, because Israel wants nothing more than to handicap Iran. The only way to do that is to get rid of their financing, which is oil. Missile drone strikes on Gulf. So here's what this is what they're expecting. The Iranian response, this is what they're expecting. Missile drone strikes on Gulf shipping, increasing blockade risk at the Strait of Hormuz, cyber attacks or sabotage against regional oil infrastructure, direct hits on Iran's own oil facilities, raising odds of further price spikes. That's crazy. Market estimates suggest a blocked or restricted strait could push Brent crude above $120 to $130 per a barrel. So I'm telling you right now, oil prices at $75 a barrel is cheap in the midst of a war with Iran. You know that Iran's going to respond. They have no choice but to retaliate against Israel. And retaliation from Iran means that they're putting their oil facilities at risk. And we are at risk of them retaliating by shutting down the Strait of Hormuz. And oil prices, as I read, oil prices could potentially escalate to over $100 per barrel. Okay. All right, guys, I'm Sean Pruitt. I wanted to come on here really quick. It's really late tonight. The attack just recently happened. I had to get on here. I haven't been on for a while. But anyways, I'm going to be following this as things happening. It's an exciting time to be in the oil business, and I'll keep you apprised. All right, guys, if you like this channel, please subscribe, and we'll talk soon. Thanks.